Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create a dark themed card website very easily. So as you can see currently, when I created this site from start, from blank, and this is a white themed website. So the background is white and the text is black, but I want to change this. So basically I need to tap just on the background of the site. As you can see, now it selects the background. Also, if this not works, you can tap on these three stripes on more actions and then select background. So again, background, and as you can see right now it's grayish, whitish, but you can change this to gradient, image, video, or slideshow. But let me select color right here and make this black. So swipe it to black, and you can select a pattern if you want to, but I'm selecting another pattern. And tap on done, and as you see now, it's a blank or a black screen. So tap on the text right here, then go to appearance and make this color white. You can make it bigger if you want to, and maybe change the font to what font I like, enter, like this. Change the style by adding those things, like you see right here, and tap on done. As you see now, your website is dark theme, so you can easily copy this text, then make it smaller, remove those things, So if you want to start your own card website, please check the link in the description and in the pinned comment. And again, you can change the size of this very easily. You can change closely everything. You can view them mobile as well, like this. It looks very good in my opinion. And you can tap on publish the site, publish changes. And now it's loading. View site. As you see, this looks very good, dark themed website with a nice font in my opinion. So if this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.